Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Dennis. So this video this week is going to be me getting my roof finally done. Okay, I've been waiting months and months and months. Finally they've shown up. You know, they only have 2 workers ready to do it. Somebody got sick and now there's down to 2 instead of 4. So it's taking a little bit longer than it usually does, but they're doing a great job. I've got a great product being put on, premium shingles and underlayment for, they call them ice. I'll put a description later in the video talking about that. And yeah, so they're on that. So I'm going to give you a quick look, show you the before and after, and yeah, tell me what you think. If you got any questions, let me know. I've asked them a ton, and yeah, hopefully I can cover at least a little bit in the video, and maybe it'll help you out. Here we go. It's roof repair time. So we're getting it all done. They've dropped off all the materials, and by the end of the day, we'll see what we got. Day two, they've got that little bit done. They put the what they call ice all over the whole thing, and they're going to continue on doing that same work as everything continues. So these are the rolls of what they call ice. So they put this on the roof, roll it out, and that protects underneath the shingles. And of course we have our bin to get all the shingles that come off the roof, put it in. So here you can see the compressor, the blue thing there, and they're using that up on the roof using my power, but that's fine. And they put these little tarps on the bottom, and they throw the shingles onto that first, and they have another one on the side, and they use that wheelbarrow right over there, and then they bring them out to the bin to get rid of them. So makes cleanup really easy. So here's the difference between the right hand side and left hand side, and she got that entire right peak all done, and they've thrown the shingles down into there. There's still a bunch more to do. There's only 2 guys working on it, but it's coming along quite well. Alright, so the roof is finally done. It looks really spectacular actually. He did a fantastic job. Right everybody, so that's it. That's the video. I hope you liked it. Just a quick update on some of the things I'm doing around my house, and it's cost me a fortune, but thankfully I won't have to do this again for a very long time. Alright everybody, so that's the video. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. I'm a little plaque up there my daughter made for me, or got made for me. So the channel name's on there, and if you like the video, hit that big old thumbs up. Hit that bell for notifications for videos so you can see them as they come up and so you get notified. And think about joining, think about super thanks, all that kind of good stuff that helps out the channel. And more importantly, just keep on watching. That's what helps the most. Take care. See you next time. Hit that bell for notifications as videos that come up in the future, so you can make sure you